Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to sell affiliate products with 3 simple steps. And there is a right way to do things and there's a wrong way to doing things. Now I must admit to you, when I started back in 2015, I started with affiliate marketing and there's a lot of things that I did not implement properly, and as a result I did not make much commissions. And some of these things I want to share with you today, and in this video I'm also going to give you the framework that the top earners are using to generate a full-time income from affiliate marketing. My name is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best ways to making real money online. So if it's your first time here, a warm welcome to you. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you'll be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. And if you want to learn on how to make real money online, feel free to check out my #1 recommendation by clicking on the link that is within the description below this video. So affiliate marketing is the business model where you bring the buyer and the seller together, and you are essentially the middle lady or the middle guy. You are an affiliate for the seller, and for every transaction that takes place, you would earn a commission. So that is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Okay, so now with affiliate marketing, you're going to be getting your own affiliate link, and with this link you can send people to the sales page, and if they make a purchase, you'll be credited with a commission. Now, some of the common mistakes with affiliate marketing is spamming social media with your affiliate links. You don't want to do this because social media will not take very kindly to you spamming their platform with your affiliate links. They can probably suspend your account or ban it completely, and then all your hard work falls down the drain. And then the second thing is, you don't want to send your prospects directly to the sales page. Let's just say, for instance, you're selling a high ticketed product and you tell people to click on a link and it goes straight to the sales page. They might not be ready to buy just as yet, or they might not know you or like you and trust you, and they're thinking to themselves, oh, should I really buy from this person? So if you send them directly to the sales page, you're not getting the opportunity to actually build a relationship with your client so you can follow up with them and then make sure that maybe in the future they have a better chance of purchasing from you. So how do you sort this problem and how do you improve it? So this is how you're going to be selling affiliate products with these 3 simple steps. The first step is you need to have a marketing funnel in place. So once you have chosen your product, then you need to concentrate on building your simple marketing funnel. Right, now this is an example of a very easy marketing funnel where your customers first will have to sign into your opt-in page. From there they get sent to the bridge page and eventually to the sales page. Now, as you can see, there's a big difference from what we mentioned early on, because here you're sending people first to the bridge page and then the sales page. And the bridge page is very important because it allows you the opportunity to build a relationship with your customers. They're going to get to know you a bit better, but at the same time, they're also going to see how the product might have benefited you, and you also going to share with them the benefits they can get from purchasing the product. And thereafter, you would send them to the sales page. So this is the first step in selling affiliate products. And step 2 on how to sell affiliate products is to have an autoresponder. So your opt-in page is now linked to your autoresponder. An autoresponder is simply an email service provider which you can register for. So what this means is that when someone signs into your opt-in page, they then get included onto your email database. And this is important because let's just say a customer goes through your marketing funnel and they don't make a purchase, you still have not lost out completely, because by having them on your database, you have an opportunity now to build a relationship with your audience where further along down the line they'll be ready to purchase. So this is the second step on how to sell affiliate products. Let's take a look at the final step. The final step, as you might have guessed, is to choose the right traffic source for you. Learn as much as you can about it, master it, and be consistent in it. Once you find that it's working for you, then you can branch into other traffic methods. So then, to summarize, the first thing that you're going to need is obviously your traffic source. Once you have your traffic source, then your visitors are going to go into your marketing funnel. This is where they can buy, or even if they don't buy, it's not a problem, because remember, then they've gone into your autoresponder, which is your email database, and they've done this via your opt-in page. And it is here where you're going to build a relationship with your audience. You're going to give them value, and eventually you're going to be getting your sales. So it's really not as complicated as they make it out to be. It's really a situation of setting things up properly and being consistent, especially when it comes to getting traffic to your business. I know initially when you start off, you might be demotivated, you might not be seeing the traffic coming in, but you need to be consistent, and eventually you'll get there. So this is how you sell affiliate products with 3 simple steps. I hope that it has helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. If you'd like to learn how you can get started with making real money online, then check out my #1 recommendation. You're going to learn much more than what I've taught you in this video at this teaching platform. Just click on a link that is in the video description below this video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that we can chat in my next video. See you and take care. Goodbye.